I'm launching off of Vudu's Bait Camp here in Hitchcock, Texas. I'm going to be using a Vudu Shad throughout this entire video.
Fish on. Feels like a speckled trout. Linus, cast over here. There you go, guys. Nice little red. Sorry that Vudu Shad.
My friend was using a Bugs shrimp imitation. He was doing a slow retrieve with a bounce every now and then. This water is around 1.5 feet deep. I'm surprised to find flounder this shallow already, especially because the water is still pretty cold. It was like 50-ish degrees. This is gonna be it for this video. Sadly, I didn't get all the fish that will work out today.
It's a big guy.
Yeah, damn. 18. Nice.